Doppler radar. You see this line right here? This is an outflow boundary. This is a bunch of cold air that came from this thunderstorm and it's now rushing into the valley. The showers now firing up around Kuna. More than likely they'll go up and they go straight back down in the next 15 to 20 minutes. So that means more than likely these showers are going to be producing a lot of wind over the next hour to 2 hours. So us average, here comes the mild and warm air from the desert southwest, and it looks like we will not get out of that yellow category and orange category over the next several days. That means temperatures will be above average. What you see on the screen is not precipitation, it's actually the inversion. Yes, the radar can actually detect the inversion, pretty interesting, and you can tell that all the blue is in the valley. And if you're sniffling, there's a reason why. Allergies are in the medium to high category. Oh, things are looking good today. A lot warmer than yesterday. You know, yesterday we were flirting around that freezing mark, and now we are well above that. In Boise, 51 degrees. Good morning. It is 5:22 with weather on the twos, and we are under a freeze warning right now. Here's a look at where it covers. It covers the whole entire Treasure Valley. This means temperatures will reach or go below the freezing mark. Yeah, you will need that umbrella as you head off to work and school, but be very happy that we are seeing this rain because we're not going to get any for the next 5 days after today, unfortunately. Good morning. It is just before 5:12 on the weather on the twos. Here's a look at Storm Tracker 2 pinpoint Doppler radar for this Thursday. Of course, we are now clear of any precipitation up and down the Treasure Valley, and more than likely, we will remain clear over the next several days. Here's a live look outside the Unico US Bank Plaza Skycam over the state capitol, and the winds are pretty much non-existent right now, but they will start to pick up dramatically later on this morning into the afternoon hours. And there it is, breezy out of the northwest, 10 to 25 miles an hour. Wind gusts could gust as high as 30 to 35. 62 degrees for a high temperature today because of that northwesterly wind. We have some cooler air working into the region. However, lots of sunshine and then clear skies tonight with temperatures going down to 48 degrees. Right now it is 50 degrees at the airport, 32 degrees in McCall, the same with Stanley, 47 degrees in Ontario, 48 in Mountain Home. One thing you'll notice is pretty much clear skies off towards our west. A few showers along Washington, but those are moving off towards the northeast at a pretty good clip and will not affect us. We have some drier air trying to work into the mid-levels here in Boise. One thing I do want you to show you is the jet stream because, of course, it is the train track of all the storm systems. But watch what happens over the next 48 hours. The jet stream starts to shrink. That means it's becoming weaker and weaker, and the tail end of it is actually coming to an end. A ridge will start to build over the Pacific Ocean, and when that happens, of course, we'll start to warm up, and by, say, Saturday and Sunday, we'll be warming up into the 70s. Now, another thing I do want to show you is the precipitation. Of course, we could have a few lingering showers in the mountains today. Otherwise, we should be okay. You don't see any blues on your screen, do you? That means no precipitation, and of course you see some white. That's the mid-level moisture, but that will just produce a few cumulus clouds, and that's about it. Southern clouds at the mountains today, a chance of an isolated shower is possible, especially from McCall northward. 44 degrees in McCall, 59 degrees in Riggins, 57 degrees in Council. Here in the valley, temperatures will be in the lower 60s. 62 degrees in Boise, 63 degrees in Mountain Home, and 61 degrees in Emmett. Mostly sunny skies, and it will be breezy from time to time. Here's a look at your Storm Tracker 2 5-day forecast. Now, of course, with the lack of rain and all the rain that we had over the past couple of days with all the sunshine, the allergies will start to become a huge problem over the next several days and especially into the weekend. So make sure you have a full stock of allergy medicine in your medicine cabinet because you will need them, especially on Mother's Day in case you want to go out and celebrate Mother's Day outside.